Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Cut It Out, where Lisa and I use this cut file from Paige Evans and give you two different takes. So today, I decided to take that ornament cut file from Paige Evans, which is her freebie in her group, which I'll link it down below. It is one of her ornament for Christmas, and I took a different take on it, and what I decided to do with it is I turned it into more of a winter wonderland style layout. Now I am going to let you know that there is tons of stuff that I do differently off camera, because I kept looking at it as I was editing the photo and the video and was like, you know what, I need to add a few more things and change where I felt that I put the title and change that up. So you have to check the still shots at the end of the video just to let you know what I have changed off camera. And towards the end of this video, I'll let you know what I did change so that you can look at it. And I did slow up the screen, like the still shot, for two of the videos of the pictures that I took so that you could see what I did differently. As I'm backing up this cut file, I decided to take it and I used this new Simple Stories collection, which is Freezin season, it's called. And I did the collection, like collector series that A Cherry on Top likes to do. And I got everything for it because I really like the colors. It's got mints and it's got the lighter browns and the pinks and all of that kind of stuff and whatnot. So I just wanted to, let you know that that was the collection that I got. So when you look at all the papers and stuff, you'll see what I have gotten. What I decided to do is that two of the photos were cut to what the ornament looks like, and I placed it on there. And then I took the mint colored cut file, because I cut this twice out so I could back the top part of the wood, like where the tree limb is and the leaves, with the mint, and I did the mint colored ornaments with pink, and then the gray colored ornaments that do not have my photo on it, I used a white colored background so that it really stuck out when you did it. And you will see that I cut all of these off, and then you'll see how I put them back on, and it doesn't even look like I cut it, essentially cut them off to be able to back them, and I had to place them around just a little bit differently. And whatnot. So I was like, the other thing that I decided to do is that got out my stamp set, and it's an old from my stash. It's from Stampin' Up is this collection, and the two inks are from my Close to My Heart, and it's Seafoam and Sugar Plum. And these stamp sets, I know you can't really see what is on them. They are snowflakes. I placed them all over the place. I am part of the Crafty Maven getaway, and their technique for the month of November was to use our stamps. So you will see this video twice. If you have come from Crafty Maven, welcome. I used this video, explained the exact same video over there on that channel, and then here I am to explain what Lisa and I do twice a month on using cut files to give you two different takes. So make sure that you go check out Lisa's channel. Everything will be linked down below and all of that good stuff on her channel, and see her take. So I went very different because I used this cut file as a winter cut file, and she went Christmas because it's ornaments. I tried to tell her to go outside of her comfort zone and not be so literal, and she went literal, which is fine because that's the whole point of this collaboration that Lisa and I do, because we are very different scrapbookers and we do push ourselves out of our comfort zone, but we do tend to stay in our comfort zone, which is a good thing because then it gives you two different takes on what you can use a cut file for. So I backed my cut file, a couple of the cut files up on foam tape. You know that I use the different things and whatnot for it. Some of it is the dimensionals from Stampin' Up, and then the good old fun foam from the other. And let's see here. Oh, yep, I'm still finishing up putting these down. And like I said, you can't even tell in the still shots and everything, you can't even tell that I cut these out. It looks like they're still hanging from the tree. And that was the whole point of me cutting them off, so that I could be able to situate them, because I added 2 extra ornaments to this cut file because I pretty much cut it twice. So I did get the whole collection for this. And the one thing that I do change on the still shots that you will see at the end is the title. Right now I have Freezin season spread out, and I do change it, and I put Freezin right on top of season, and then I do something a little bit different in the corner. I add some gloves and another bird and another little saying or whatever. Because I forgot, I pulled out all the die cuts and the chipboard and forgot that I had a sticker pad. And if I would have remembered that I had the sticker pad, my layout, you would have seen on camera what I changed to what I have it at the end for the still shots on there. And the other thing that I do change is that I take a quarter off of each 2 sides of this, and I add a background paper of the mints and greens just to tie it more in, because I felt like it was kind of boring with just the gray. And then, so to get back to this, I add a couple of homes and some trees at the bottom, just to add something a little bit down there. So it kind of looks like the houses and the trees are off to the distance while I'm looking through the Christmas tree is what I'm trying to do, or like through the winter wonderland of photos. And the 2 photos are of my daughter. It's the last winter that we had in Germany. This was in February, so we got some good snow that year, and Kaylin obviously loves to go out there. So one of the photos you see her laying down that you can see, she's making a snow angel. And the other one where you see just a little bit of the grass, that's the snow angel. And in person, you can see that it is a snow angel for that part, just so that you know that why you have an ornament of just snow. I don't. I promise you it is her snow angel. She gets up, and she's very good about getting up and not making a mess of the snow angel. And of course, I have to take pictures of it. So I'm almost done here. Make sure that you go check out Lisa's channel and her take on it. Everything will be linked down below. If you have not gotten to subscribing to my channel, make sure that you do. I am like 99 or 98 away from my 1,000 subscriber giveaways. So make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel so that I can give out my little giveaway that I want to here at the end of November to the beginning of December, and so that you can have some Christmas scrappiness as the giveaway if you happen to win it. So I'm just finishing out this layout with this little girl and this saying, and the still shots will be coming up soon, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!